I do not have any set rules or how I want my partner to be. Like कोई भी मिल जाए अभी तो अच्छे एक्टर्स के साथ काम करने के लिए I'm always ready. I really hope that I get to work with Tapu someday.
Yeah.
पहले 2 दिन तो मैं बेहोश रहूंगी. फिर जब होश में आऊंगी तो मैं फिर देखकर शायद बेहोश हो जाऊंगी. Hi, I'm Sanya Malhotra and you guys are watching me on E-Time.
Hello, this is Samina Sheikh here and you're watching me on E-Times, and with me today I have Sanya Malhotra. Hi Sanya, welcome on E-Times.
Thanks a lot.
Talking about, Sanya, about the character. The character is like, playing a widow and a husband, like, getting to know about the husband, later, after he died. How was that experience for you? Like, living in that character for you?
You know, a lot of us are very unaware of what is going on in our lives. And especially with relationships, I don't know, I can say that at least I tend to not see the red flags and go paint them green or kick them off from my path and jump into it, you know. And that's what I think Sandhya didn't have that option to even acknowledge the red flags in her relationship. Because जो होता ही नहीं है ना, ये चीज तो हमें सिखाई नहीं जाती है. कई औरतों को नहीं सिखाई जाती. एडजस्टमेंट इज द की इन अ मैरिज. दैट्स व्हाट वी आर टॉट. और बहुत ही मतलब इट्स सो कैजुअल एंड वी हैव मेड इट सो कैजुअल कि लगता ही है कि 5 महीने इज नो टाइम टू नो दैट पर्सन. सो व्हेन वी वर प्रेपिंग फॉर इट, व्हाट वी हैड टू डू वाज टू गेट हर साइकोलॉजी राइट, यू नो, हाउ शी वाज बिफोर द मैरिज एंड हाउ इन दोस 5 months she has changed. So I would give the credit to Umesh sir because we both sat together with our DA Pooja. We 3 of us used to sit together. We used to read all the scenes and we used to talk about her relationship with everyone else in the film. Amma, Bauji, her mother, Nadia, Akanksha, about Astik. I wrote a full a whole notebook, a journal I used to write as Sandhya. So I used to keep her journal. So I wrote about my college, my past, basically a lot of her past, about her past life before her marriage, how she was and how the marriage changed her, you know. It was tough because obviously she was aware, maybe subconsciously she was aware she was not happy in that marriage but never wanted to face it. And when she finds out, oh, this was the reason he was not into me. This was the reason I was in a loveless marriage. She's kind of blaming it to Akanksha, but Akanksha, maybe she comes into her life to show her what she really needs to do with her life. So that hope Akanksha, Shayuni's character, gets in Sandhya's life. Also, it's such a beautiful written script. Everything else, the psychology bit and getting closer to the character, I think I have to give credit to Umesh sir because he really helped me tremendously to get closer to Sandhya.
Sanya, in asking you personally, like, would you be skeptical in terms of choosing a life partner for you? What kind of choices would you make?
That's such a personal question. I honestly don't know, Samina. I'm ready for I'm single. And I'm single and I keep asking my friends, what should I do? Why am I single? What should I do? And they keep telling me you have to put yourself out. I just don't get it. What am I supposed to do with it? I actually don't know. I do not have any set rules or how I want my partner to be. Like, कोई भी मिल जाए अभी तो. I'm kidding. कोई नहीं, मतलब अच्छा होना चाहिए. थोड़ा awakened होना चाहिए. Mentally, spiritually और same level पर हो. थोड़ा mentally तो I would really appreciate that. तो अगर आप हैं तो call me. जो इंटरव्यू देख रहे हैं. Why do I keep embarrassing myself in interviews? देने नहीं चाहिए मुझे.
Sanya, you also said like you were not happy with the kind of roles you have done in the past and like until Paglet came your way.
Oh no. I'm quite happy with the roles that I did, that I was offered. Sorry if that came across like that. I was too critical of my work. So I was never unhappy with the kind of roles that I was getting. I was just too critical and perfectionist but a negative connotation attached to it. So I really used to beat myself down कि अगर कोई mistake हो जाती थी और screen पे दिखता था तो मुझे लगता था कि why did I do that? You know, I'm very happy with all the roles that I've done.
That's something
now.
you have got as a gift. Talking about, you know, perfectionist, are you, you know, do you believe in, you know, being perfect, or like, you know, are you following footsteps of Amir Khan? You know, you just want to be, you know, perfect all the time.
Very passionate. Yeah, perfectionist is. I think perfectionism has a very negative connotation attached to it. The word itself, if you know, the literal. I think dictionary में भी यही है कि it's like it's not a good word. You know, I would say that he's very passionate about his work. But मेरा तो मैं बहुत critical हो जाती थी. मतलब ऐसे कोई रिलीज नहीं हुआ जिसके बाद मैं अपने आपको ये नहीं बोलती थी कि you shouldn't have done this, you should have done that. How do I explain this? Imposter syndrome कह लो. मतलब काफी लोगों को होता है और वो aware नहीं होते कि this is called imposter syndrome. Maybe I had that, but now I don't have any. So I'm just like being nice to myself. I'm not being too harsh on myself.
Okay, as you said, like, of course, you know, perfectionist and, you know, not being perfectionist is also, it's a very tough word. But Sania, overall, how do you see your journey right now, you know, in Bollywood? Do you see that, you know, a lot of changes in your roles, in the kind of movies you're doing, and a kind of appreciation, like people are accepting you, and, you know, okay, Sania Malhotra, you know, is known for this kind of roles, she's doing different roles and all. So what do you have to say on that?
It feels like a dream come true, you know. I'm living my dream life. I keep saying that actually ये तो मैंने सपने में भी नहीं देखा था. It's beyond my dream. And a major credit goes to Dangal too, because my career panned out the way it did because of my first film. And it kind of motivated me to challenge myself, क्योंकि first film में ही अगर आपने wrestling कर ली, बाल कटवा लिए, तो as an actor I think I was mentally prepared that I'm going to try out everything, all the different roles and characters and whatever is required for me to do as an actor. And the kind of love and appreciation that I'm getting, it's heartwarming, you know. My heart is full. I can't believe, because obviously I had always, ये तो dream था ही to become an actor, but it has panned out very beautifully. तो मतलब I'm very very grateful कि जिस तरीके से अभी तक जा रहा है मेरा काम और whatever journey, so it just feels I feel very grateful for that.
Kangana Ranaut also praised you for the character you have played, you know, on in Paglet. She took to her Twitter handle. What do you have to say about it?
Yeah, no, feels so good. She's my senior and she's so brilliant. She's a wonderful actor, and that compliment coming from her was a very big, I think, a boost, I would say, you know. And grateful to her. Thanks to her that she tweeted such a lovely message. Me and my family were really happy that day.
Would you like to work with Kangana Ranaut in a movie?
Why not? She's my senior. ये तो मतलब सपना होगा कि अच्छे एक्टर्स के साथ काम करने के लिए I'm always ready.
Sania,
because your job gets easier. So,
yeah, that becomes, you get to learn a lot.
You get to learn a lot, and with good actors, you just don't have to worry about anything.
That's true.
जैसे पगलेट में हुआ.
Yeah. Sania, a lot of celebs actually get trolled when they make a movie announcement on social media, or they, you know, talk about anything. What are your thoughts on this, on the ongoing social media trolls?
My personal thought is to have boundaries for your own mental sanity. If you think that if you're that strong, then go ahead and do that, because I tend to ignore. I don't get touchwood. I do not get trolled as on social media. People are very nice to me. Thank you for that. But मतलब अगर कुछ होता भी है तो I just ignore it, because that's my mental boundary कि यहाँ नहीं जाना मुझे. कि मुझे घुस के मुझे ऐसे कुछ मिलेगा नहीं, उनसे बात करके मुझे कुछ मिलेगा नहीं, उनको क्वेश्चन करके मुझे कुछ मिलेगा नहीं. And you can't please everyone. ये तो मतलब आप सबको तो आप पसंद करते नहीं हो, आप भी कुछ लोगों को डिसलाइक करते हो, कोई आपको भी डिसलाइक कर सकता है, कोई बात नहीं.
Who has been your idol in Bollywood? who you look up to?
Tabu. I can only think of Tabu right now. She's amazing. I think it's I get really inspired by her body of work and how amazing she is as an actor. I really hope that I get to work with Tabu someday.
Yeah.
पर 2 दिन तो मैं बेहोश रहूंगी. फिर जब होश में आऊंगी तो मैं फिर देखकर शायद बेहोश हो जाऊं.
And when it comes to actresses,
Tabu.
Actor. When it comes to actor.
सोचा ही नहीं है. तब्बू ही सोच रखा था मैं. Like I'm manifesting working with Tabu. ये तो सोचना पड़ेगा. There are so many actors that I want to work with. Right now, I really want to work with Rajkumar Rao.
Yeah. I hope he is listening to this interview.
Yeah, please, Rajkumar, if you are watching this interview, I hope I get to work with you.
Thank you so much, Sanya, for your time and all the best.
Thanks a lot. It was lovely talking to you. Bye.
Same here. Thank you and goodbye.